Of course, as it is here on this show, we want to share with you those tips that can help you make more money and thrive in whatever you're doing. And these are the tips we have for you today.
Farming is one thing that everyone does, but I would want to say that maize farming is actually something which is very, very critical of late. I want to encourage farmers out there that we want to change our perception that farming should not just be farming. Farming should be done as farming as a business, because you're going to find yourself that right now maize has become actually a scarce commodity. It has become a commodity exchange. We cannot do away with maize production. So I want to encourage each and everyone who is out there, who is dealing with maize, that do it as passion, do it with one heart, because today it is low in terms of price, but tomorrow it is really, really very high. So you're going to find that this is a commodity that you can never give up. And even out there, even international wise, maize is a product, or this is a product that it is helping out all areas which have run out of food. So I'm encouraging every farmer out there to keep on growing maize. Maize is the way to go.